Hello viewers, here is a Dell Latitude laptop. This is the Latitude D610. So I now have located a D610, a D620, and a D630. So my D600 series is complete, providing these are all in good working order. Now, I thought this unit was relatively old because it just has a lot of old styling to it. It's got the old screen lid latch there, got the older style volume things and power buttons, got the indicators over there, and the old clicking, noisy clicking buttons. But I was talking to somebody and they said, oh no, it runs Windows 7 fine, which I was kind of surprised by. And then I took a look on the bottom. Oh, there's even a Windows 7 code on there. I think this is the OEM one it shipped with, which was the Windows XP Home Edition. There's the informations. Made in Malaysia. These are very good quality machines. Very heavy. A lot of it's metal. That's plastic there. Some of it's metal. That cover is metal. That cover I think is metal too. It's got the rubber pads under the drive so you can put it down the table. You don't get a shock into the drive. I think the top is metal as well. They put something on here. It's not original. It's like a sticker or something. I would have preferred that not be there, but for all the ridiculous things I've seen people put on the laptops, this is not that bad. Probably could get it off, but it may take a long time. I don't know. Oh, actually, maybe not. It seems like it. Okay, I guess it'll come off very easily. But it's all sticky into there. I think I'm just going to leave it alone for now. Maybe I will. Maybe I will do that later. So, anyways, I hope that the hard drive caddy is within the unit. It sounds like there's something rattling around in there. The screws are missing there, which is not a good sign. So let's see what we have here. I don't know what processor this has because the stickers are missing, which is ironic because there's a giant sticker on the top of it. Okay, what is going on here? Huh. There's a PATA adapter in there, I think, and it's all like stuck. Okay. And the daggone screws is in there, but they're thrown away in the bottom. So then I guess this is older then, if it's got an IDE unit in there. I also don't really see it running. Well, it better take 4 gigabytes of memory then. Where is this? Let me get these screws out of here. I don't have any more ID drives on hand. I have to order some. Came with 4 screws. Okay. So then I guess this is an older unit if it's got the ID drive in there. At least it came with the adapter, although it's a moot point. I have tons of those things now. Let's see what kind of memory we got in the unit. Of course, this doesn't tell us what it can handle, but let's take a look here. It's DDR. Not good. I don't really have much DDR memory. Well, it's DDR2. There, I can read. Okay, I may have some DDR2 on here. take a look in the box and see what we have. So we need, let's see if I have any. This is all DDR3, I believe. No, there is another place I could look. Probably doesn't have much in there. I should just order some more. Well, no, I don't have any in this particular bag, but well, this is going to have to wait for another day because I gotta order some drives. So I will order some drives and then we'll do part 2 on the video.